Good morning, students. Today I teach accountancy, lesson number 7, company accounts. Introduction. A large amount of capital investment and highly sophisticated managerial skill for running a large scale industries. Examples of cement, iron and steel industries, sugar industries is also called as large scale industries. Indian Company Act 1956. The act was came into force on September 12th, 2013. Few changes like yearly a private companies, maximum number of members 50 and now it will be a 200. Next one, company. Company is a voluntary association of person which has a separate legal entity. Next one, characteristics of a company. So many characteristics. I am few only explain. First one is voluntary association. A company is a voluntary association of a person. Second one, separate legal entity. A company is a artificial person created by a law. Third one, common seal. Common seal. A company may have a common seal which can be affixed on the document. Affixed means attached. Example, so many companies, so many shops, one common seal followed. Next one, limited liability. A liability of the shareholder of the company is limited. Next one, transferability of shares. The shares of company are freely transferable except in case of private company. Next one, types of shares. Two types of shares, preference shares and equity shares. First one, preference shares. Preference shares towards the payment of dividend a fixed rate of during the lifetime of the company. Preference towards a repayment of capital on winding up of the company. Next one, equity share. Equity share means equity share are those shares which are not preference shares. These shares do not enjoy any preferential rights. But rate of dividend is not a fixed on equity shares and depends upon the profit earned by the company. Next one, divisions of share capital. So many divisions. First one, authorized capital. Authorized capital means one company total value of the company value is authorized capital or nominal capital. Authorized capital means it is a such capital or authorized by the memorandum of association. It is a maximum amount can be raised as a capital. Next one, issued capital. This is represent the part of the authorized capital which is offered for subscription. Third one, subscribed capital. Subscribed capital means it is refers to that part of issued capital which has been applied for also allotted by the company. Next one, called up capital. It is refers that the part of subscribed capital which has been a called up capital by the company for payment. Next one, paid up capital. Paid up means actually paid up by a shareholder. Reserve capital. Reserve means liquidity cash or future saving. The company can reserve a part of subscribed capital to be called up only the time of winding up. It also called as reserve capital. Next one, issues of equity shares. Equity shares, public issues, private placement, rights of issues, bonus of issues. First one, public issues. Issues of equity shares to the public through prospectus by the company includes initial public offers and future public offers. Future or further public offers. Next one, private placement. A private placement means any offers of equity shares inviting to subscribe equity shares to selected a group of person by a company. That is private placement is offer letters and which is satisfy the company and conditions of specified Section 42 Indian Company Act 2013.